Y'all want to go grocery shopping with me? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna put you guys on Chastity real quick. She's asleep. Let's go. Hey girl. These grapes, 99 cents a pound. I need to get some blueberries for DJ because he loves blueberries. Some bananas for him. So you guys, I'm going to make a soul food dinner, and I need to get the groceries for that, and then I just need to get regular groceries. Where's the green beans? Why look like almost the yams are almost all gone? Get the yams. Oh wait, I want to see what sushi they have. This is what I want right here. Making some smoothies, mixed fruit, and strawberries. DJ has been begging for his chocolate milk. Get this. And then we need to find some pear juice for baby girl. Get some pineapple juice. Down here. And then where is the pear juice?
Y'all look at the pretty baby. I got a glimpse before.
Thank you.
This is pretty interesting, huh?
Yeah, thank you. Here's some pear juice, but is there any more? Let's go ahead and try it. You awake, girl? Chastity. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of these just to snack on. Buy one, get one free. She's a month old.
So cute.
Thank you.
So precious.
Thank you. We need dish soap. Where is the dish soap? Milk. Okay. Mozzarella, sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, cheese for the macaroni and cheese. The doctor said that Chastity should take some vitamin D drops, so I'm about to look for those. $12.99. Okay. I feel like I'm not done. I need something else. So got the macaroni and cheese stuff, yams, I'm getting green beans from Costco's, salmon from Costco's, fruit. Oh, here's this soap. Here's Mrs. Myers. And I love this scent. The scent smells so good. My friend is having a baby. I like this one. You guys, I think I am done getting the groceries from Giant Eagle. Then I gotta go to Costco's. Y'all, it's so hard trying to grocery shop with a baby. I done dropped my milk trying to come out the store because her car seat was in the cart, so I couldn't fit it like inside the car, so I put it on the bottom and it slid out when I'm walking out the store. These two ladies that came and helped me, they were so sweet. But when I was in line, I saw these and like the little coolers that's right by the registers, and it's an old-fashioned lemonade made by Market District. I want to try it, and then I'm going to snack on these because I have not eaten anything yet today, and it's lunchtime. Ooh. It's good, but it's bitter. Y'all know how that old-fashioned lemonade is. All right, let's go to Costco's. We are at Costco's now, and I do not want to spend a lot of time in here because Chastity is getting fussy, and I ain't got time. All right, let's get what we need and get out. I just need to get some green beans and salmon. I believe that's all I wanted. Organic fine French beans. Here's the salmon. Oh shoot, I need to get pull-ups. Dang. You guys, this is why I need DJ to hurry up and get potty trained. This is why. $40 for pull-ups. Alright y'all, I got what I want. I had to pick these up for Dante because he loves these. grocery shop with me and cook with me vlog. It is looking mighty tasty. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.